Goliath was in a rage. His words jump off the page in 1 Samuel 17. Oh man, was this giant mean. He said he would win against David and make him like birdseed. But David wouldn't scare, he'd already killed a bear. He knew God would help him through, so what did he do? He grabbed 5 smooth stones, but only had to use one, because with God's help it was done. The giant lost that day. Oh, victory came Israel's way. He defended them against the enemy. So when you face a giant of a problem, something or someone bigger than you and scary too, ask God and a good grown up for help. They will guide you. You're never alone. No, never alone. Don't fret, Goliath won't win, so don't give in. Fear cannot stop you. God and good grown-ups have got you.